I was recently contacted through my channel from an individual at VIOFO, and they requested that I review a product for them. And they told me that it was going to be a 3-channel dash camera, and they showed me a picture, and I happened to be in the market for a dash camera to replace one that got damaged. And I couldn't help but kind of first off check it out, but to go ahead and agree. It isn't something that I do very often, so open box videos is kind of not my jam, but today I guess I'm going to learn. It comes into the typical see videos online about them setting it down and wrapping it up with tape. And the box itself, it's actually kind of heavier than I would have originally thought that it would have been, and this particular product, it's an A139. It's again a 3-channel dash camera. The front camera mounts directly to the windshield, as well as the inside camera. The inside one though has an infrared camera. The specs are pretty good for what you could expect. Like the inside forward-facing camera is going to be 14.4p, and then the other two cameras are 1080p. It works off of 2.4 gigahertz wireless and 5 gigahertz wireless, which is a bonus because a lot of the other cameras that I have encountered, I do have a camera brand that I use now. It uses 2.4 gigahertz wireless. And the package seems pretty neat. Got some nice little foam there. It has this is the part that attaches forward facing. It has an AV input, a microphone input. I don't know if that's input or an output. It has all of the attachments. It's powered by USB-C, which is nice. It's GPS, G4 sensors. Got all your standard buttons with wireless, microphone, I guess instant record, power, and all that good stuff. Oh, and it's a pretty good size. SD card slot goes in there. They got a couple screw holes here, but I guess that's maybe different type of mounting situations that you may have. Not 100% sure. Comes with 3M tape. That's always a bonus. And you got the good stuff in here. Throw it all right there because that's where it goes. Got a couple of lint sheets. Looks like to clean the space that you put it in. A nice little hello card. That's literally what it says. And it says about warranty information. Bonus. We'll stick that there. Hopefully we don't need to do any kind of warranty information. Owner's manual. That'll come in handy. Comes with a, looks like a pretty lengthy cord here. It says 6 meters, so that's 18 feet if my maths are correct. And then it comes with a 1 meter one. That's probably for the one right next to it. Little pry bar to tuck your wires. That's always a bonus for those who don't have their own tools in that area. This is the inside camera. Looks like it does a little 360 there. 3M tape. Nice little smooth, not that heavy. It has 6 IRs on there, which is very nice because other cameras usually have 2. It just doesn't seem like they light up just quite enough. Looks like it comes with a lens for the front camera, so that I think it's a polarization lens. That's always nice. Let's see here. Here's the rear camera. Same thing. There's a little spinny poo. Has a little 3M. Overall, it looks pretty nice. I am curious if this is waterproof or anything along those lines, or if they come up with an exterior vehicle waterproof one for maybe someone who has a company type truck that may want to set those up outside. USB-A to USB-C power cord. Extra tape for if you mess up or change vehicles. Got a USB adapter for the SD card, and then it looks like the standard cigarette lighter. You know, all in all, looks pretty nice. I guess if you really wanted to get crazy, you could plug that into your cigarette lighter and charge your phone with it. That's a pretty good lengthy cable. It does not say how long it is, but hopefully it'll get to where you need it to be. I'll go ahead and install this in my vehicle, and we'll kind of see how this goes. But I'm excited. This is something that I've been needing to do, and we're about to see how this particular camera operates. And I appreciate you taking the time to look at this, and I'll get back with you when I find out some information, because an audio video output, that'd be great for commercial vehicles because there's no monitor on this. I presume you could use your phone, but when you're, for example, if you want to try to use it for a backup camera, the third camera here, if they have a video output, you know, that could be beneficial. So we'll see, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching this one. I'll probably add another vehicle of me installing this particular camera, and a little bit of time of messing with it, and go from there. Thank you guys.